Hello wonderful people out there, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabby.
And it's yardie Chris representing Jamaica here in Jamaica. Guys, we're now in Barrytown. We've been all over the place this trip. So for the last few days we decided to stay at Sea Castles. And yeah, after staying with friends and family for a long time, we decided now it's time for a little treat. Before this we were in Vogue. And somehow we didn't film an apartment tour there. That's so weird. Like, we wanted to do it before we leave.
Yeah, we really did.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, what happened, mommy?
I don't know, tell me. Yeah, well.
It was in a housing scheme, and probably we have some pictures or so that we can show.
Yeah, we have some pictures. Like, we definitely take pictures, and we did like it. I mean, it was convenient, it was close to the town, and it was okay.
Yeah, we just kind of chilled. We went skating one evening. Then what else? I remember working on my application, editing, washing. Yeah, we had a big wash day one day, and
the wash machine overflowed.
And then yeah, it was just 3 days. So not much happened.
Yeah, it was very short.
And we visited friends and so yeah, I guess that's why we're never really at our locations. We're just always out and about. So anyways, guys, what are we here to do?
It's the room tour.
So we're gonna give you a little room tour
and show you Sea Castle, how a room looked inside the building here.
Yeah, so guys, this is right in front of me, and it's such a nice view when this window is open, but because we're leaving,
it's the same view like from the balcony.
So guys, this is the balcony view. So magical.
Look at that, guys. Isn't that awesome? Got our own private beach here. You need a card to go down to the beach.
Yeah. So let's show them the rest. So here we have a couch.
Oh wow.
A table.
Yeah. We have 2 beds here. We have a great air condition, TV.
Yeah, really nice air conditioning. A little stove top.
Toaster.
This is the little kitchen area.
And even here you put little dishes and stuff like. I mean, it's really efficient. You know?
Yeah, we like it.
And I like the color here. It's a nice bright yellow.
Yeah.
What would you call it? Yellow.
Where we put all our little snacks.
That's where they end up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to clean up a bit.
Okay, then the fridge.
In the fridge, we have our water.
Yeah, and here they have knife, fork and stuff like. Also very efficient, you know. Everything what you could possibly need.
And this is our little fridge.
Yes, we bought out the egg yesterday. Every single one of them.
Really? Wow.
Yes, we did.
Terrible. We have another little goodie bag in here. Yeah.
Bathroom.
Oh yeah, this is our closets. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, so we have some wet towels hanging, don't mind them. And our little sink. And the shower, guys. The shower is so cold, my goodness. Yeah, so that's it for the bathroom. So yeah, that's it for the bathroom. So guys, now we're gonna show you a little view of the resort or of the landscape outside. There's a pool, there's a beach, so we're gonna take you out to see it. Yes. So guys, this is the view from in front of our door.
Ginger leaf.
Yeah, so let's go. Feel like in a movie?
Yeah, with all that up.
Just make you feel like a movie. Mommy, seriously? Oh gosh. Mommy's walking barefoot today, guys. I'm still wearing my slippers. So where are we now, Miss Tour Guide?
Yeah, on the premises, no?
True, that's a better word. To talk a bit louder just in case the wind is too much.
This is so nice. Guys, I have to go back to Germany. But of course, if I have a beach, I have to go to the beach. What about you guys? What do you prefer? The beach? I like those, but I don't have no shoes. I have to come out of the
You want to be a yardie, so be a yardie, mommy. So guys, this is the problem now with sea castle. It's a bit worn now, unfortunately. You can kind of tell, you know, it's not in the best shape, but it's really nice still, right? Still really nice. Okay, let's go to the beach. Hello. So now we're going down to the beach. You can see some more of its rundown, unfortunately. You know, I'm guessing these were all once nice seating areas and stuff.
Oh, this looks so cool. Like it has some Roman pizza.
Yeah, it has some weird character to it, right?
So,
somehow it's really funny.
I mean, I know that place since how many years? Like, and I've been there when it was just in almost new, like, you know.
Wow.
So it's just somebody just don't money in it.
Yeah. And because it's so close to the ocean, you know.
Inside you also have this, what do you call it, corrosion?
Corrosion, salt water.
Yeah. So things also get rusty and so on.
Guys, you can kind of tell it's really rusty and not taken care of anymore, but it's still nice. The location is nice, the view is nice, the pool is nice. So yeah. Yeah. So we need a card to get through this gate here. And there's the seating area. Mommy, I burn up. I'm glad I didn't try to play hero like mommy. Hold the camera, let me get it out.
So yeah, you need to get a card that we can come to the private beach here. See here.
So how does it work, mommy?
There's a solid card here. And tricky line. Do it again and maybe other side. No.
Oh, sit there.
That's so blöd. So guys, this is it. This is it. Fish up. Just show you breeze and sand.
Such a beautiful beach. We're not really taking care of it. I think it does need just because I don't know, but I'm not sure. I'm really trying to figure out the history of this place, why it looks like a ghost town over there. It's not a resort anymore. It looks like just Airbnbs now. What is this? What is mommy? dying. So we decided that we're gonna swim in the pool first and maybe later we'll go swim in the ocean. But since I've been here, I haven't been in a pool, so I'm gonna take that opportunity. Yeah. So we're going back up to the pool. I can swim, but I'm still scared to like swim in the deep part of the pool. If I can't touch my feet, I cannot swim.
Yeah, you did it, man. Even back with just one time.
Yeah, let me show them.
We've come so far since we began this life. Been through the trenches, seen so many ups and downs, like we barely even touched the ground.
Okay, mommy, let's see you.
Watch the fish in the water.
So how do you feel to be back in Jamaica? Swimming in a pool on the own.
That's beyond words how I feel.
How do you feel to be going back? A few days, this is all over.
Next week, Wednesday, I have to go back to work. Kind of unreal, really unreal.
Yes guys, today is Thursday, so
I feel, I don't know,
we're
sad.
leaving on Sunday.
Sad. Meant to be.
Yeah.
Hi.
I agree guys, I wish I could stay as well. Check out our view. Okay guys, catch you in the next clip. Peace.